សួស្តីហើយក៏សូមស្វាគមន៍មកវិលត្រឡប់មកជួបជាមួយនឹងខ្ញុំបាទសាជាថ្មីបាទនៅវីដេអូថ្មីមួយទៀតបាទអញ្ចឹងនៅវីដេអូនេះដែរគឺខ្ញុំចង់បង្ហាញពីរបៀបបាទយើងដូរឈ្មោះ page របស់យើងបាទយើងចង់បដូរឈ្មោះវា page ថ្មីមួយទៀតបដូរឈ្មោះថ្មីមួយទៀតបាទអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់បងប្អូនដែលថ្មីបាទសូមคลิกបាទជួយចុចបាទ follow page ខ្ញុំអ្នកមួយផងដែលខ្ញុំដាក់នៅខាងក្រោម description និងបងប្អូនដែលថ្មីបាទជួយចុចបាទ subscribe channel របស់ខ្ញុំអ្នកមួយផងបាទអញ្ចឹងកុំឲ្យខាតពេលយូរនេះបងប្អូនចូលមកកាន់ Facebook តែម្ដងដែលជា admin របស់ page ហ្នឹងបាទថាច់ទៅលើនឹងអញ្ចឹងមកបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងមកដល់កន្លែងនេះរបស់យើងបាទអញ្ចឹងយើង select ទៅ page ដែល admin នឹងកាន់បាទអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនចូលមកកន្លែងនេះបើសិនជា admin profile នេះគឺត្រេ3បងប្អូនថាច់ទៅលើនឹងមកបាទនេះយើងថាច់ទៅកន្លែងនេះមានលេខនេះកន្លែងសញ្ញាពូនេះប៉ះទៅលើហ្នឹងបាទអញ្ចឹងមកដល់កន្លែងនេះគឺ page របស់យើងមានប្រមាណគឺបង្ហាញនៅហ្នឹងបាទនេះ page មាន4នេះជា profile ទេបាទអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនចង់ដូរមួយណាបាទខ្ញុំដូរមួយនេះបាទខ្ញុំថាច់ទៅលើហ្នឹងបងប្អូនចង់ដូរមួយណាគឺប៉ះទៅលើបាទឈ្មោះ page មួយហ្នឹងទៅបាទបាទអញ្ចឹងវាដល់កន្លែងនេះមកដល់ page ហើយបាទនេះបាទខ្ញុំបិទសលេងមកកុំអោយជាប់ copyright បាទអញ្ចឹងមកដល់កន្លែងនេះបងប្អូនកន្លែងមើលទៅនេះខាងស្ដាំដៃខាងលើនេះកន្លែង profile នេះបាទអត់មាន profile គឺមានសញ្ញាត្រេ3បងប្អូនប៉ះទៅលើនឹងអញ្ចឹងមកបាទបន្ទាប់ពីខ្ញុំ scroll ចុះទៅក្រោមបងប្អូនរកពាក្យ time នេះបងប្អូន setting and privacy ថាច់ទៅលើនឹងអញ្ចឹងមកបាទអញ្ចឹងប៉ះទៅលើ setting បន្តទៀតបាទអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំ scroll ចុះទៅក្រោមបងប្អូនរកពាក្យថាបាទ page setup នេះបងប្អូននេះស្លាយខ្ញុំគូវាហ្នឹង page setup នេះបងប្អូនប៉ះទៅលើនឹងអញ្ចឹងមកបាទអញ្ចឹងបន្ទាប់ទៀតនេះបងប្អូនមើលខាងលើនេះគេដាក់ថា name នេះបាទនេះថាឈ្មោះ page របស់យើងហ្នឹងបាទថាច់ទៅលើនឹងអញ្ចឹងមកបាទនេះ edit page name បាទអញ្ចឹងនេះឈ្មោះ page របស់យើងអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនគ្រាន់តែយកដៃរៀបដៃប៉ះលើនឹងអញ្ចឹងមកហើយយើងធ្វើការលុបវាអញ្ចឹងមកហើយយើងដាក់ឈ្មោះថ្មីបាទអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនចង់ដាក់ឈ្មោះយ៉ាងម៉េចគឺដាក់បាទតាមតែបងប្អូនស្រឡាញ់បាទអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំដាក់ជាចាប់ពូថ្លោះខ្ញុំដាក់ដកបន្តិចមករៀនcomplain បាទនេះបាទអញ្ចឹងតាមតែចិត្តបងប្អូនស្រឡាញ់បាទអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនដាក់យ៉ាងម៉េចក៏បានខ្ញុំដាក់ពូឆ្លោះរៀនcomplain បាទខ្ញុំដាក់បែបហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងបន្ទាប់ពីបងប្អូនដាក់ឈ្មោះបានត្រឹមត្រូវតាមចិត្តបងប្អូនដែលស្រឡាញ់ហើយអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនចុចកន្លែងនេះ review change បងប្អូនប៉ះទៅលើនឹងអញ្ចឹងមកបាទនៅពេលមកដល់កន្លែងនេះបានន័យថាឈ្មោះចាស់របស់យើងបាទនេះគឺយើងបដូរថ្មីបាទ new page name International page name page ចាស់កន្លែងនេះថ្មីបាទអញ្ចឹងបន្ទាប់ទៀតបាទអញ្ចឹងបន្ទាប់ពីយើងបានបដូរឈ្មោះហើយក៏វាមិនតាន់បានដែរអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនចុចកន្លែងនេះ switch for up នេះ for up profile នេះបងប្អូន switch លើនឹងមក submit បាទ submit for up បាទ approval នេះ approval បាទយើងមកដល់កន្លែងនេះបងប្អូននេះបានហើយបងប្អូនអញ្ចឹងយើង refresh តិចមកបងប្អូន refresh អូវាអញ្ចឹងតិចមកបាទវាកំពុងដំណើរការនេះបងប្អូនបាទរងចាំបន្តិចបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងបែកទៅក្រោយសាប់មើលបងប្អូនបែកទៅក្រោយបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងចូលមកកន្លែងរបស់យើងដើមនេះបាទតើវាបដូរនៅបងប្អូនអញ្ចឹងយើងប៉ះទៅលើនេះបងប្អូនប៉ះទៅលើ profile ហ្នឹងមកបាទថាច់ទៅលើនឹងអញ្ចឹងមកហើយយើងមើលឈ្មោះ page របស់យើងបាទនេះបងប្អូននេះបានហើយនេះបងប្អូន này bàn hai bàn này mình nâng cứ âm ôm rồi họng bày bàn này bằng phôn dương ai đồ chmuk phê và dương bàn hai bằng phôn bà bàn hai về ớt của bà thì bằng phôn vì nghi sưu bà chẳng việc update thay này năm bị phôn phê pram bà chẳng mình to pi nhom bàn bà đồ chmuk ruột bà chẳng kim trong đồ này kim trong đồ profile này bà chẳng kim cho một lại này bà phôn cho một lại nữa mà bà lại camera nó lại chỉ hiên hàng crom nó bà lên nâng chân máu bà chẳng nhom cho từ bà vô và rụp phim bà nhom đại nhom tục bà phôn tục nó lại nát bà phôn vô lạiนี่เขียมตังรูนี่มวยบางปอนมันตัวไปยังได้จังรูให้จังบางปอนกึศทายังรูพีปนังยังได้แต่จอมกระดาษล้อนี่บางปอนใจนี่กลายสัญญาเซลล์นี่มั้งมาป่ะในเรื่องนังจังเมาบ่าลงจำมันติดยังรีเฟรชใจเมาบางปอนบ่านี่บางปอนนี่บานให้จังบางปอนจังโดนในข้างครอยตีบางปอนก็ป่ะเรื่องนังจังเมาไล่กล้องรานังจังเมาบ่าบางปอนใจไล่นี่ไล่อัพโหลดโฟโต้นี่บ่าป่ะไล่นังเมาจังขยมด่ารูนี่ข้างครอยเจ้าบ้านนี่สมโดเต็มร้องมาอัปเดตทำไมโดต้องออกใจเมาบ่าเป็นนังให้บางปอนไปเดี๋ยวยืนสลันท่าไกลข้างครอยไกลเนาะก็ว่าไปยืนข้างครอยนี่จังบางปอนใจเซลมั้งบางปอนมาใจเซลแต่นี่ติดจังเมาบ่าจังรงจำติดบางปอนเวกปงตายเธอกาโดบ่ารงจำมันติดบ่านี่บ่าในบางปอนจังยืนเสรีวิวสะอาดจังเมาบ่าเนเป็นมันยังไปยืนอัดเสรีที่เวียดดัดจังเป็นนั่งมาซ้อมรงบ่านี่บางปอนนี่บางปอนบ่าจังเอาระเบียบในกาบ่าโดชมุเพจบ่าคือเป็นไงสรุปบ่ายังจังโดชมุบ่ายืนจ่าเจนยังดักทำไมเมาบ่าได้ยังชมุยังเพลย์จังติดเมาบ่าดำใบหยดเตะตีนมาจังเป็นไงสรุปบางปอนคืออัปเดตทำไมชนะบีปองกับไฟปามในบางปอนนี่ได้ขยมโดในบางปอนจังยืงมีนaccount Facebook ให้คือยืงมีนเพจเตียดบ่าจังยืงบ่าเรียนเล่นบ่าเรียนกัดต่อวิดีโอดำใบยืงโพสในขนมเพจบ่าติดตามจำนวนดังติดตามจำนองจำนวนจัดบ่าบางปอนบ่าได้สลายบ่านี่คือขยมบัดสเลบ่าก็มอจอบกุปิไรบ่าจังวิดีโอบอกฉันคือมีนแต่ปนังเตะบ่าสำหรับบางปอนได้ทำไมซูมคอมพลีทบ่าช่วยจดบ่า follow หรือก็ไลค์เพจบอกขยมเนี่ยมวยพ้องได้ขยมด่าในข้างกรมดีกับสันสำหรับบางปอนได้ทำไมบ่านั่งช่วยจดบ่า subscribe เนี่ยมวยพ้องหนึ่งด่ารูกันดังนำไปตัวบ้านในจำนวนดังก็โดยจีวิดีโอทำไมปีขยมบาดบรรทอติบ่าซุ่มออกคนดังกรุบลีบ้าน